Hello everyone, in today's video we are making a simple cheese and fruit platter that is very easy to prepare and you can serve during the coming holidays, whether for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And it can be a part of a spread or dessert or snacks. It is highly flexible for any occasion. You can also make such a platter as a gift. To start, you will need a board, not a chopping board, just a regular board. I have a small board here that measures 11 by 18 inches. And you can buy 3 to 4 cheeses of your choice depending on the size of your board, and you can mix hard and soft and semi-soft cheeses in the platter. We have the brie, which is the most commonly used in this type of platter. This is a double cream brie, so it's a soft cheese. We also have the Gouda, another popular cheese, and this is a hard cheese and very good with crackers. Here's another soft cheese, the goat's milk cheese with herbs. This is very flavorful, salty, and also creamy. Firstly, add the cheeses in the board as they are the centerpiece of the platter, and add more stuff after you have positioned the cheeses. Fill in every nook and cranny of the board with crackers, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Make it your own style. Here are other good options for your platter. Please use all natural cheese and avoid the typical yellow American cheese, which are usually processed. The natural cheese tastes so much better and not substantially expensive. In fact, there are many good price, good quality cheeses out there. In my future video, I'll go to a local cheese shop and show you what they sell. Hope you can try to make a cheese and fruit platter on your next holiday party. It is something people enjoy eating. Thank you for watching.